Today we will be replacing the brake pads on the D4 Plus 2.0. This one has cable brakes. We will need a 5mm hex, needle nose pliers, and our new brake pads. So first off, remove the whole caliper by removing these two bolts right here with your 5mm hex tool. Take it off. Make sure you don't lose the washers on the bracket. There should be 4, 2 silver washers and 2 black washers. So put them to the side. Now you'll flip your caliper and we'll see the brake pads right here. First, we'll need to loosen this bolt to be able to remove the brake pads easier. Now grab your needle nose pliers and all you have to do is pull the brake pad to the side and out. Same on this side, to the side and out. And now get your new brake pads. All you have to do is start with the left side first. Put it in and make sure it is flush and into that groove. Do the same on the other side. Push it in. Make it flush. Like so. Now, once you have them both in, we can now install our caliper back in place. So grab your washers. It should be the silver one first and the black one on the top. Now just put your caliper back with your 2 bolts right here. Now tighten them enough to keep it in place, but do not tighten them all the way, because you will need to align the caliper to the brake disc. Like so. Make sure it's not rubbing against the brake pads. And once you have it aligned, you can now tighten the bolts as much as you can. And once you have it ready, you can tighten the cable if needed. If not, that's okay. And that's it.